Can we talk about something that kind embarrassing but real? Snoring, karate. As we are Indians, everyone in our family snores. It either is our brothers, fathers, or even mothers. My brother and father snores that loud that I can't sleep peacefully. So a month ago, I tried something. Let me show you. The snoring relief drops. And this actually works. After a month, no more snoring sound. This little change in our lifestyle led me to sleep peacefully. As myself a doctor, I also tried this BVR snoring relief drops. You should also give it a try.